Strapi versus WordPress versus Sanity. Choosing the best headless CMS can transform how you build and manage content without the hassle of rigid platforms. We'll explore all three options to help you find the perfect fit. Strapi, WordPress, and Sanity are top headless CMS platforms, each with unique approaches. Strapi focuses on flexibility and customization. WordPress offers familiarity with a vast ecosystem, and Sanity excels in real-time content editing with structured data. Strapi is an open-source headless CMS designed for developers who want full control over their content infrastructure. It works by providing a customizable API-driven backend where you can define content types and relationships without restrictions. Strapi's strengths lie in its self-hosted nature, allowing you to choose your own database and deployment method, plus its extensible plugin system. It supports REST and GraphQL APIs out of the box, making integration with any front-end seamless. However, managing your own server and updates requires technical know-how, which can be a limitation for non-developers. Strapi is ideal for teams needing a flexible, developer-friendly CMS that adapts to complex projects and custom workflows, especially when you want to avoid vendor lock-in and maintain control over your data. WordPress, traditionally a monolithic CMS, has evolved into a popular headless CMS option through its REST API and GraphQL support. It offers a familiar interface and a huge ecosystem of plugins and themes, making content management accessible for non-technical users. WordPress works by decoupling the backend from the front end, so developers can use any technology to build the user interface while leveraging WordPress for content storage and editorial workflows. Its main strength is ease of use combined with a massive community and plugin availability. Limitations include potential performance bottlenecks and security concerns if not properly maintained, plus less flexibility in structuring complex content compared to dedicated headless CMSs. WordPress is best suited for teams that want a user-friendly CMS with a rich plugin library and existing familiarity, especially for blogs, marketing sites, or projects where editorial ease is a priority. Sanity is a cloud-native headless CMS focused on structured content and real-time collaboration. It provides a highly customizable content studio where you define schemas to model content precisely as needed. Sanity's strength is its real-time content synchronization, enabling multiple editors to work simultaneously with instant updates. It offers a flexible query language called GROQ and supports GraphQL, making data retrieval efficient and tailored. Being cloud-hosted, Sanity removes the burden of infrastructure management, but this means less control over hosting compared to self-hosted options like Strapi. Its pricing model can also be a factor for larger projects. Sanity is ideal for teams that prioritize collaborative content editing, structured data management, and want a scalable, managed solution without the overhead of server maintenance. Strapi, WordPress, and Sanity each serve different needs. Strapi offers maximum control and customization for developers comfortable managing infrastructure. WordPress shines with its user-friendly interface and extensive plugin ecosystem, perfect for teams focused on ease of use and quick setup. Sanity stands out with real-time collaboration and structured content capabilities, ideal for complex workflows and teams needing cloud scalability. Choosing Strapi means investing in back-end flexibility but requires technical resources. WordPress provides a familiar environment but may struggle with highly customized content models. Sanity delivers powerful editing and data structure, but at the cost of less hosting control and potentially higher pricing. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize control, ease of use, or collaborative content management. Choose Strapi if you need a developer-centric, fully customizable headless CMS with self-hosting options and flexible API support for complex, tailored projects.